Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom. From Albion, Maine, Johnny selected seeds with Adam Lemure, and we are talking flame weeding this afternoon.
Okay, so what I'm holding is the backpack flame weeder that Johnny sells. It has a 400,000 BTU torch and a 3-gallon propane tank and a backpack. This is your standard flame weeder, and this is to me analogous to using a crayon to color. So when you're flame weeding the bed, you're back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and it's not very efficient. You might not be getting everything. So if this is the crayon, then this is the paintbrush, all right? And this is the Neversink Flame hood attachment, and it goes on just with a pair of hose clamps. It will disperse the flame and make it much more efficient, much faster. It converts this flame weeder, which you can use still around your farm and spot weed and things like that, but it converts this into a bed flamer. So the Neversink Flame is 15 inches wide so that it's 2 passes over a 30-inch bed. It's got a nice roller on the back so that you're not making grooves in the bed, right? And so this is the throttle valve and this is the pilot valve. Why do you have a pilot valve? Because when you get to the end of the row, if you only had the throttle valve and you let go, the flame would go out and you have to restart it. So it goes on pilot until you turn around and then you want to give it throttle again. So if you look at the bed, you'll see that these beds are prepared for an overwintered planting, and they've been allowed to sit for a little bit, and we've got a lot of very small thread stage weeds that are emerging. Some are a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to go down the bed and create a stale seed bed. In flame weeding, you don't have to char the weeds. What you really just need to do is to get those cell walls up to a certain temperature so that they burst, and then the weed will wilt. Flame weeders are going to save you time, labor, and money.
Adam, awesome explanation about flame weeding and how it really does keep the weeds out of the garden and how important it is to do that, especially as you start to plant.
Thanks for joining us. You can find more information about flame weeding in our growers library at johnnyseeds.com.